Good morning to all of you, class 8th student. I have just come once again back with you with full energy. Now, pressure in liquids, this is the topic, and on this topic we will have to discuss. First of all, we will have to discuss that what is pressure in liquid. A liquid exerts pressure on the walls of container in which it is kept. To verify fact, let us perform an activity to show that liquids exerts pressure on the walls of the container. A plastic bottle, a glass tube, a burner wax, and a balloon and water. Take a plastic bottle and fix a glass tube near the bottom of it by heating the tube and quickly inserting it into the bottle. Seal the joint with the molten wax. Cover the mouth of the glass tube with a balloon, fill up with half of water. Observe the volume of the balloon. Pour some more water into the bottle and again observe the volume of the balloon. The balloon increases on pouring more water into the bottle. Water exerts pressure on the balloon and makes it grow in size. Water exerts pressure on the balloon and makes it grow in the size. As we put more and more water into the bottle, the water exerts pressure on the walls of the container and the size of the balloon will increase. So it shows that when we exert pressure on the liquid or the container, it exerts in all types, in all directions, on the walls. In this activity, glass tube container balloon is fixed on the side of the bottle and not at bottom. Thus, bulging of the bottom balloon indicates that exerts pressure on the sides of that container. So, pressure in liquids, a liquid exerts pressure on the wall of the container. As balloon metals, acha. Now we have another look. Pressure exerted by a liquid at the same height. And liquid exerts pressure at the same height. Height or depth in all directions. Pressure exerted by a liquid at different heights higher the depth, more the depth, higher the pressure. Now, measuring liquid, how we measure liquid? How we measure liquid? pressure gauge pressure in liquids. Measure pressure in liquids. A manometer is the simplest measure the pressure of liquid. It measures the pressure difference at different depths. Molecules. Pressure in gases. Gases exert pressure in all directions. It means that gas can fill a container completely. SI unit of pressure is 1 न्यूटन बटे 1 मीटर स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1 पास्कल। प्यारे बच्चों, इससे पहले भी मैं आपको इसके बारे में पढ़ा दिया था, और जो फ्रेंच साइंटिस्ट थे जिन्होंने इस प्रेशर के बारे में जानकारी दिया उनका नाम था ब्लेस पास्कल। सब के बारे में मैं आपको विस्तार से बता दिया हूँ। गैस जो है वो पूरा कम्प्लीटली किसी कंटेनर को भर देता है, और हमारे पास में जो लिक्विड है उसको मापने वाला जो यंत्र है उसको कहते हैं हम लोग मैनोमीटर, और उसका इस्तेमाल हम लोग किस तरह से कर सकते हैं। वैसे भी आपको मैं बताऊं, इसके लिए आप देखिएगा जो घर बनाने वाले जो होते हैं वो लोग अपने साथ वाटर ट्यूब रखा हुआ रहता है, कितना लंबाई हुआ कितना चौड़ाई हुआ पानी डाल करके पता कर लेता है कि समान लेवल पे जा रहा है या नहीं। इसलिए इस पर चर्चा आप खुद से भी बुक से कंसल्ट करके उसको लिख सकते हैं। चलिए अब एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर से थोड़ा सा उसका ले लीजिए अगला टॉपिक में। वायुमंडलीय दाब। A thick layer of air just around the is called the atmospheric pressure. Atmosphere. Sorry. And now pressure exerted, the force exerted in per unit area atmospheric pressure. The force exerted in per unit area in the on a surface by the weight of air above the surface. Is known as the atmospheric pressure. Now atmospheric pressure decreases as we go higher. and higher altitudes. Because density of air also decreases. At higher altitude, atmospheric pressure is low. And pressure inside our body due to body fluids is more. And pressure inside our body due to body fluid is more. So that we feel uneasiness at higher altitude. Now, applications of atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure helps in drinking. The rubber shaker is slightly pressed on the surface. Is थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे बेटा। आप इसको लिखेंगे और उसमें कोई एरर आए, नहीं समझ में आए तो आप क्वेश्चन भी राइज कीजिए।
इसलिए भगवान का